friends, welcome to the GKGV channel. Today we are going to be learning how to bake chocolate chip cookies.
Some white sugar. Now I'm gonna do some of this.
Brown sugar.
Brown sugar.
And I'll pour all of the
Butter.
melted butter. For that, we need to
Stir.
And after this, we need to add an egg.
Now we have to stir it. Ready? We're putting some sugar in.
Salt.
Some. Now we're putting some
Baking soda.
soda.
After that, we have to
Put some of this.
vanilla extract. You have to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay, after that we mix it all.
Now we're gonna add some chocolate chips.
To mix it thorough.
Now we're gonna add some chocolate chips.
Not yet though. For this I'm gonna add the. Now we are going to skim through. We need to mix it. After you mix it thoroughly, you have to add the chocolate chips. Now we have to mix it again. Thank you for watching. Please press the like button and subscribe. Bye.